So friends, let's see today's lovely recipe of custard tarts. Now I'm just going to dust my surface with flour and I'm going to roll out this puff pastry. Now I'm using a ready-made puff pastry, but I will leave a link of how to prepare this. Now I'm going to grease a muffin tin with some butter. I'm going to take any round object like a vati, or if you have a kind of a mold, and just cut them up into 6 rounds. Then I'm going to place them into my muffin holder. Just ensure that the pastry is in line with the muffin holder. It shouldn't be too much outside or too, halfway. It shouldn't be halfway through the muffin. It should be exactly touching the tip of the muffin holder. And just dab down the bottom or the base of the pastry. And we're going to set this aside. Now we're going to prepare the filling, which is a custard filling. Now for that, I've used 1 1/4 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, that is sugar just run in my mixer and made into a powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now I'm going to take a non-stick pan. I'm going to add the eggs and I'm going to beat the eggs really well. So you can directly put all your ingredients into the pan in which you're going to cook the custard. You don't need to put it into a separate bowl and then add it over here. Then I'm going to add the vanilla essence. I'm going to add the cinnamon powder. And I'm going to whisk all of this very, very well. Next, I'm going to add the powdered sugar. So you can use icing sugar for this, or you can just take regular sugar and blend it in your mixer and add it. Now let all of the sugar nicely dissolve. There should not be any lumps of sugar. Ensure that, and for that you can use a whisk. Next, I'm going to be adding in the milk. And again, mix everything really well together. Now last and not the least, I'm going to add the corn flour, which is the thickening agent. And I'm going to mix everything so that the mixture is lump free. We don't want any lumps in this mixture. Now I'm going to place the mixture on the gas top on a very low to medium flame and continuously whisk it till the mixture thickens, but it shouldn't be so thick that I cannot pour it. So it should be thick enough but of a pourable consistency. So the minute the mixture starts coating the back of your spoon, then means your mixture is ready. It shouldn't be too runny or it shouldn't be too thick. It should be like a porridge consistency which can be poured. Because now we're going to run this mixture through a sieve or a strainer. And then, so you can see all of the whatever was, the cinnamon which was not ground properly or whatever remains back. And then I'm just going to pour this mixture into these puff pastries. At this time, I would preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Always preheat your oven. And then I'm going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. It all depends on your oven, so keep checking them. Once they become golden brown like this, once they're out of the oven, let them rest till they're completely cooled down before you demold them. And your lovely custard tarts are all ready. You can enjoy this with a lovely cup of tea or coffee. I hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. I need those thumbs ups. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do.
and hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will show up. Click that, because that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also, I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, so if you're looking for any particular recipe, when you go to the YouTube app and there's a search button, type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up first. For instance, if you're looking for vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients, just type vanilla ice cream, Akshata's recipe, and mine will be the first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I also am very active on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. Both the links will be left in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So thank you so much for watching today's video and being a